mukau. Used when you go to a place like a station or school and when talking about directions on a map. 向かう。駅や学校へ行くとき、地図の方向を話すときによく使うよ。It is a go-down verb, verb. In plain terms, mukau means to move toward a place, to face a direction, or to confront a task or person. ある場所へ行くこと。体や顔をその方へ向けること。問題や相手に立ち向かって取り組むこと。The single kanji means direction and turning your body or eyes. You can see this meaning in words like hoko, which is about the way something is oriented. Another example is mukeru, which means to turn or aim something toward a side. These ideas connect to moving or pointing toward a goal. I'm heading to the station now. 今、駅に向かいます。今、駅に向かいます。When I finish work, I head home. 仕事が終わったら家へ向かう。仕事が終わったら家へ向かう。I drove to school. 車で学校に向かった。車で学校に向かった。We are heading to the venue. 私たちは会場に向かっている。私たちは会場に向かっている。The most common synonyms of the word are iku and susumu. Iku overlaps when simply going to a place without focus on direction. Susumu overlaps when steadily moving forward. Mukau adds a sense of heading toward a target or facing it. The most common antonym of the word is hanareru, which means to move away from a place or person, the opposite of heading toward something.